I'm here with Ms Dan, who's the head advisor of the Environmental Club. Ms Dan, what are you guys doing with the courtyard and the greenhouse?
Currently, we're going to be pulling weeds and getting it ready for season to plant. Last year, we planted tomatoes, bell peppers, strawberries, corn. So this year, we're hoping to bring those back and possibly even have a new pumpkin patch this year.
Ooh, spooky. I like it. And how long have you guys been working on the courthouse and the greenhouse this year?
So we've been working on it for like the past 2 to 3 years, getting it ready. And then currently this year, we're going to start here in the next couple of months to get it all ready to grow over the summer.
And since it is International Gardening Month, what is the importance of gardening for the environment?
The importance of gardening, it brings a lot of biodiversity into the environment, so lots of different species are coming together. And it's also important to not plant invasive species because that could do the reverse and take away from the environment. So basically for my kids, I just want them to get used to the environment and to grow things and have fun.
Alrighty, thank you. I'm here with Riley. And Riley, do you have a garden at home?
Yes.
And what's your favorite part about gardening?
Starting from scratch and watching it grow up.
And when you're gardening, what kind of jobs do you do?
Kind of like odd jobs, like pulling weeds and tilling land. Just making sure everything's all good.
Alrighty, thank you.